This right here is a real flight ticket that I got, which is verifiable on the airline's website. And the best part is I didn't actually have to pay for this flight ticket. Now this is great for visas, it's great for immigration, proof of onwards travel. However you want to use this, I'm going to show you how you can make a flight reservation, get a real verifiable flight ticket in just under 5 minutes here. So the website that I used for this service is a website called onwardsticket.com, and I'll go ahead and leave them in the description below so you can go straight to their service. So you can see you can get a verified flight reservation within just 60 seconds, and I'm going to walk you through and get a new reservation with you right now. So we want to go ahead and click on book now, and we can now choose our route and the date of the flight ticket. So we're going to choose a one-way route. I'm going to fly from, let's say, London. We'll fly to Manila, Philippines. And let's say we want to fly on the 30th of June. Now we can enter in my email and first and last name. And if you wanted to add any other passengers, you could click on this plus icon here and you can just simply add them. I'm just going to use myself as an example. Now we can click on this green arrow button. We can receive the ticket now, or you can receive it later, like a couple of days before your departure, but I'm going to receive it now. I don't care if it's a multi-stop or a direct flight. The currency will leave on USD. We'll then click the green arrow again. Now he's going to check for real available flights. And what this website's going to do once it's found a flight is it's going to reserve you a spot on that flight. So you can see here, we've got a flight ticket from the 30th of June from London to Manila. I'm the only passenger and we're going to receive it now and it's valid for 48 hours. So we're going to accept these terms and conditions and all we have to pay is a one-off fee of $14. So click confirm and pay, and then you can pay here with credit card or PayPal. So I'm going to go ahead and change to PayPal and I'll go through the payment process. So we'll complete this purchase here and wait for this to be done. Okay, so now it's going to actually book you on a real ticket. So just wait a couple of minutes here. And now you can see the booking has been confirmed and you can just simply download your ticket. So let's take a look at it here. Okay, so this is a Qatar Airways ticket and you can see everything's here. One more thing, we'll go to Qatar Airways, we'll go to My Trips, then we'll get the booking reference. I guess it's this one here, so we'll copy this. We can then paste in that in. Then we can click Retrieve Booking. And there you go. Once it loads here, it's going to ask you for your contact details, but we're just verifying it here. So it's verifiable on Qatar Airlines website. That's how you can get your onwards ticket. Link in the description. Go and buy one and let me know how it goes.